Hey guys, welcome back to this week's vlog. We're starting this one off at night time again. I'm with a couple of my mates, there's one in the car and two are, chasing each other over there. So I don't know what the go is, but they're having a fun race and we're just chilling because they need to sort their stuff out. So yeah.
Where you at though?
Good morning, you guys again. Today we're back on that job grind, so I've got my resumes printed out. We're going to be going over to Albury, which is like across the border in New South Wales. So we're going to be going over there, and then we just going to go to every shop we can and hand out some resumes. So it's a few days later after I handed my resumes out. I am currently going to go see a friend to go have a look at a car that he wants to get. I think it's either a Commodore or a Falcon, but I'm not 100% sure. And on the job note, I have gotten one email back, but it was just an email saying, hey, we got your resume. So I'm hoping I get another one back saying, hey, come in for an interview. That would be really nice.
It's got here. So I charged the battery because the battery's got flat.
I can hear that.
But yeah, it hasn't moved for, I reckon, 10 weeks now.
Yeah, I blew my car moving up here as I was driving up here. Blew up, so.
Okay. Now guys, I'm not gonna lie, I got really bored just sitting at home, and I'm having a really good day because the weather is absolutely on point. So I've actually decided that I'm gonna come down to the skate park and have a look at the skate park that's in town. I haven't been here in like 10 years, so you guys are gonna see what's here and I'm gonna see what's here, but judging by what I've seen as of right now walking up to it, there seems to be a fair amount of opportunities, but I also need your help in deciding what I should start riding again, whether it's scooter, skateboard or a bike, because I gave my skateboard to Nick and I don't have anything here, so I want to try and build something again, and depending on what you guys say is probably going to be the answer to what I get. Well, if you ladies and gentlemen haven't noticed, I'm back at school today. I have school every Thursdays and Fridays, so you guys will be coming along with the journey for that. It goes for the whole year, so I shouldn't run out of content, but I'm probably going to do a bit more recording of what I do today, and then, you guys will be able to see that.
I told you about that with your student card. So basically, you just hit print, and it should take you to the closest printer. You pick the printer, print out, and then every time you print, a little bit of credit.
Yeah.
And this one.
We're back at TAFE for day 2. Again, I have no clue what I'm doing today, since it's only the first week. Still trying to get everything sorted. But whatever I do, you guys are gonna come with me and have as much fun as I have. Well, I'm finished for today. I've finished school for the day, finished TAFE, whatever you want to call it. I've finished it. So I also have classes tomorrow, so I will see you guys then. I don't know what I'm doing tomorrow because today was actually my first official day of TAFE. So last week, the thing you saw last week was mainly just an orientation, so us getting to know the teachers and everything like that. But today was my first official day, but I also have class tomorrow, so I don't know what I'm going to be doing tomorrow, but whatever I do, I will show you guys, or I'll talk about it, one or the other, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.
Which will include later on. Okay? So that component will be, it's just about what tools you use in Illustrator and how they help you.
Well, I'm finished TAFE for the day, and now I don't have TAFE until next week, but I am going to end this week's vlog right here, and I will see you guys next week. Please be sure to like, share and subscribe, and tune in for the next one. I am a bit sad that I wasn't able to record as much at TAFE today, but we had a lot of stuff to do, so that's my excuse. But I will see you guys next week.